Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to today's topic. So in the series of number system, here is the some more number systems, some more conversion of number systems are here. One thing I want to tell you, I told you the things about hexa to binary, binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to hexa. Like that I told you. Okay. So here is the concept. Main thing I told you about the binary system of all the numbers. Okay. So you can convert them easily. You will get the questions from this topic only. Okay. So here, as you can see, decimal to hexa. If you want to convert decimal to hexa, what you have to do? You have to convert decimal to binary and binary to hexa. I told you this. You can watch my previous videos in which I told you hexa to binary, binary to hexa, hexa octal to binary, or binary to octal. Okay, you can do that one also. So you can take the screenshot. You can keep it with you for a time being, so that you can remember how to convert one number system to another number system. So here are the things: hexa to decimal. So when you, if you are getting the question hexa to decimal, so what you have to do? Hexa to binary, binary to decimal. Like that you have to convert the things. As you can see in the middle portion, binary is everywhere. So if you know the binary, the pattern of the concept of the binary, you can convert any number system to any other number system. I hope concept is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you please write down in the comment section. Let me know your doubts. And if you like the video, if you enjoy the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.